Hello guys, my name is Dhruv Amrelia. Today about my topic is the saint with two bodies. Why are you stupid at all this? The stupid unit of the phenomenal word is not hidden from true yogis. I instance see and converse with my disappears in distance. Calculate they can similarly translate at will every out upstate of gross matter if was problems in offered, but instead of I experienced only a weakness type here announcement as I was the distance to understand by divine search through one particular Guru Sri Viketswar, whom I had not at me. I had no inclination to accept Brahmanand as my teacher. I glanced at him doubtfully, wonderingly if it were here or his counterparts before me. The master should to banish my disappear by bestowing a skull awakening gaze and by some inspiring words about his guru. Lahiri Mahasalya was the greatest yogi one I ever know. He was diving itself in the form on flesh. If a discipline I reflect could materials and extra blessing from at will what miracles in that cloud be buried to his matters. Great master, I will tell you now. Chrysalis is a guru. As I used to meditate with another disciple for 8 hours every night. We had to work at the railway office during the day, finally difficult in carrying on my circular duties. I disappeared to devote my whole time to go to God for 8 years. I previous neglecting half a night. I had wonderful result. Timon's practical prescriptions includes my mind, but a little wells always remained between me and the infinity, even when superhuman's irritations. I found the finally irrevocable unique to be denied me one evening. I paid a visit to Lahiri Mahasalya and pleaded for his divine interest. My important count continued during the entire nights. LGA Guru, my particulars English is such that I can no longer bear my wife without meeting the great below face to face. What can I do? You must meditate more more proudly. I am appealing to their gods. My master, I see the three materialize before me and a physical bodies. Bless me that I may precisely three in time infinites from Lahiri Mahasalya extends his hand in behind Greats. You may go now and meditate. I have instructed for you with Brahma. Immediately amplified, I returned to my home in meditate. That night, the burning goals of my life was achieved. Now I greatly enjoy the spring particular person never from that day has the blissful creation remained hidden from my eyes behind any Brahmanand face was separate with divide light the place of another world entered my heart's all fear had fled the saint made a future's confidence. Some months later I returned Lahiri Mahasalya and tried to thank him for his bestowals of the infinite gifts. Then I meant transaction another matters. Divine Guru, I can no longer work in the office. Please relax me. Brahma keeps continuously intersected. Apply for a penix from your company. What reason shall I give so early in my service? Say what you feel. The next day I made my application. The doctor inquired the grounds for my parameters at work. I find an overpowering sense of hissing in my spine. It permeates my whole body, unifying me for the performance of my duties. Without futures question, the physicals recommend me highly for a pension with I soon receive. I know the divine value of Lahiri Mahasalya work through the doctor and the railway office, including your fathers. Automatically they obeyed the great Guru's particular direction and treat me for a little for a life of unbroken communication with below. After the extremity revelation, Swami Brahmananda retired into one of his long silence. As I was taking leave, touching his feet reverently, he gave me his blessing. Your life belongs to the path of the Rutingali and yoga. I shall see you again with your fathers later on in years brought faithfully fulfillment to both these predictions. Kedarnath Babu walked by my side in the gathering dark. A street lamp. Your father suggests that I take position in the calculate office of his railways company. How place to look forward to once at latest of the panic the Swami Brahmanand enjoy, but it is impossible. I cannot leave Banaras. Also, two bodies are not at for me. After the retirement, Brahmanand write from Panab Gita, a prominent community on the Bhagavad Gita available in Hindi and Bengali. The power of appropriates in more than one body in is a siddhi yogic power mentioned in Pratananjali Yoga Surat. The performance of bilocations has been exhibited in the live of many cells down independent medication. The first experience of spirit is on the delta of the serpents and then in the brain. The tremendous blessing is overwhelmed, but the yogi learns to control its outdoor manifestation. my interrupted flight toward the, the Himalayas. Leave you classroom on some tripping pretext and energy or hacking carrying stop in the lane where no one in my house can see you. These were my final instruction to our meeters, high school friends who planned to accompany me to the Himalayas. We had choice the following days for your flights. Reducer wear need necessaries as mothers, my brothers enter experience a brilliantly eyes suspended were uppermost in my mind. The amulet, like a spectacular est, was silently at work with me. I hoped to find amid to Himalaya snow the master who was often apparent to me in vision. The family was living now in Calcutta, where father had been permanently transferred. Following the particulars in particular Indian custom, Entha had brought his bride to live in your home. There in a small tent rooms, energy in daily meditation, and prepared my mind for the divine search. The memorable morning arrived with encapsulations rain, hearing the wails of Amars carrying in the road. I had hastily tied together a blank a pair of sandals to loin clothes, a string of the press bead, Lahiri Mahasalya pictures and copies of the Bhagavad Gita. This bundle I threw from my third story windows. I ran down the step and past my uncle viewing fish at the door. What is the excitement? His gaze roved surprise to over my person. I give him a non-committal smile and walked to the lane, retrieving my bundles. I joined Amar with contemplation. We drove to Chandni Chowk, a meditation center for months. We had been saving our tiffin money to buy English knowledge that my clever brothers could easily play the parts of detecting me through him by hearing eruption. On the way to the station, we stopped for my cousin's joint ghost, whom I called Jitendra. He was a new convert, longing for a guru in the Himalayas. He donated the new suit we had in redying will camouflage. We hoped a deep elephant's pose at our heads. All we needed now are you canvas shoes. I led my companion to a shop display rubber shawl, footwear, articles of leathers. Caught only through the cellular of animals should be upset on this holy trip. I held on the straight to removing the leather cover from my Bhagavad Gita and the leather strap from my English made solar topper at the station. We brought ticket up to Burdwan, where we planned to transfer for hardware in the Himalayas foothills. As soon as the train like overless was in flighting, I gave instruction to a of my grocery enterprise. Just imagine I injected we shall be in a initialization by the master and experience the trails of conversation. Our place will be changed with some meditation that wild animals of the Himalayas will come familiarly near as tiger will be no more than mixed house cats reality or our careers. This remark picture this remark picture is a purpose I consider intellect both metaphoricals and literally growth. An inculation smile from Amar, but Jatinda evaded his gaze directly in through the windows at the screamable leadership landscape. Let's the money we divide in 3 points. Jatinda broke a long silence with this suggestion. Each of should buy his own tickets at Urdwan. Those no one at the station will be surmised then we are running away together. I unexpectedly agree at dusk our train stop at Ridwan Jatinda entered the ticket office Amar and I sat on platform. He went 15 minutes the bed available inquiry searching in all distancing we should Jatinda names with the energies of fight, but he had fade into the dark. No supposedly a little session. I was completely unaware shocked to a particular names. That God word contains his this disappear episode the romantic auction of my first carefully planned flight after him was curly married. Amar we must return to home. I was stopped. I was weak like a children. Jatinda Kalu's difficulty is allowing Omen this trip is domain to failure. In this, your, your love for the Lord cannot withstand the little test of the election complaints. Umar, my soon be costly questioned by railway official. I am not understanding my brothers immediately. No matter what the outcome, I not speak and through. All I ask of you, Mukunda, is to keep still. Don't learn our green well I am taking. At this moment, a European station agent associating me. He waved in a telegram whose improved the immediately grabs. Are you running away from home in anger? No, I was glad his choice of words permitted me to make emphatic reply not agree but deviation man closely was responsive. I knew for my uncorrection beer the official then turned to Omar the duet of whites that flow loud hardly permanently maintain the collision stories. Where where is the third was the main injection of blue ring of authoritarians into the voice. Come now, speak the truth, sir. I noticed you are wearing eyeglass. Cannot see that we are only two. Omar smiled immediately. I am not a magician. I cannot conjure up a third by the official notice discussing by the implements. So I knew bit of attack. What is your name? I am called Thomas. I am the son of the English mother and converted Christians, Indian's father. Where, what is your friend's name? I call him Thompson's.